Okay.
I saw the fancy way you picked up that little piece of wax paper there.
Like that, just a little squish it right in there like that. Did you see that?
Yeah, it was nice.
Well, you know.
And you have a bunch of those squares and a little piece of Tupperware or something?
A bunch of squares in a little container.
Little container? All right.
Yeah. Okay. Alrighty, so let's just do, again with the little blob. So let's do another little squiggly line here. I'm going to go with some ivory, and this is, again, with the 103 tip on there. Your pink again. You just get your little frillies in there. And make sure you turn your nozzle, as some people say in the UK.
Nozzle, tip.
Tip, pipe, yeah, tube. So same thing, you're just going to come across. And this one you don't really want it to ruffle too terribly much. You're just making these petals that just kind of cover it up.
It's two-toned.
But it's a two-tone. See, it's got a cute little center in there. Okay.
Pretty.
Kind of different. So just getting it off the thing without destroying it is always a challenge. Okay, so let's do another one, a little different color. We're going to use the same blob method. And then we're going to come out here, and now I have some green buttercream with a 233 tip. Some people have this and it says a 133 on it. So you want to just, 133, 233, it's just the one with that bunch of holes in the center. Again, like I said, it's the grass tip. So this one's going to be our center, so I'm just going to squish, 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 and then just let it build, and then you've got your cute little center there. So then we're going to come up here with the ivory. Okay, here we go. So then we're just going to do the same thing with around, flat around there.
That's still the 103 tip?
This is still the 103 tip, yes, okay. The ivory. And then the same thing, just come back across, make your nice little ribbons here. When you feel it going around and around and around in your head. So there's another variation on the theme.
Cool.
So I like them with the different color centers. I think that really adds a lot. Most people are used to seeing just, a single color rose where there's purple, pink, orange, whatever, black. Anyways, pick up another piece of parchment. I'll do another one of these. Build your thing. Get your little center going on here. Okay, here we go. So squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Remember to stop squeezing before you pull up. So you get little points, but you don't get grass. You don't want grass in your pretty little flowers. So there we go. And it's a little off center, but that's okay. You can push it up when you do your petals. Around and around and around we go. Just squeeze a little harder right there and push it back up. Show these flowers who's boss, people. Come on.
Right.
You are the master of your own buttercream. Well, so they say. Anyways, so there's that. It's another pretty one like that. Okay, let's go on and do let's do a sunflower. This is kind of a fun one. Okay, same thing here with your blob. My blob's a little bit on the angle side here, but okay.
Your blob is askew.
Askew, squosh, skish. Wow, we are using the words up today. Okay, so this one you're going to use, like I said, that 233 tip, and you're going to do a couple of these around just so you get those nice sunflower seed. See what happens when you don't stop squishing? But it's okay, we're going to cover those up. So now we're going to take the 352 tip, and we're just going to go around, all the way around. Okay, so we have one row, and then just kind of go it right. Oh, I'm shaking like a leaf here.
Well, at least you're making leaves.
Not yet. Well, I am making leaves, aren't I? This is the leaf tip. So I would do one more row. Doesn't have to be just one. Come back around. But there's another little sunflower,
nice.
Echinacea, whatever you want to call it.
What else is it called?
Well, echinacea, like a
oh yeah, I eat that.
Black-eyed Susan.
Yeah, I have echinacea when I have a cold.
Is that right? Aren't they? Yeah. Echinacea every morning for preventative care.
I have no idea.
I know.